When it comes to exterior lighting in Powhatan, Virginia, Outdoor Lighting Perspectives of Richmond and Charlottesville has you covered. We believe it's one of the most effective ways to elevate your home's value, attractiveness, and curb appeal. Our personalized exterior lighting designs bring elegance and beauty to every home. Skilled lighting designers carefully place fixtures that complement your unique architecture and landscape, no matter the structure, style, or scope of the project. Landscape lighting may be used to draw attention to special elements of your property. Whether it's pathway lighting for safety, uplighting to accentuate trees or plants, or bistro string lights to create a broad, enchanting ambiance. Lighting can transform your yard from drab to dazzling with the flip of a switch. Every home is unique. That's why we begin with a personalized, no-cost, no-obligation design consultation. We listen to how you envision your home's exterior at night, identifying areas you'd like to highlight, the functions you need, and the atmosphere you want to create. We'll make your nighttime vision a reality. Let Outdoor Lighting Perspectives bring your property to life after dark. Call us today for a free consultation and demonstration at 804-294-3634 or visit us online at outdoorlights.com/Richmond.